Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're taking a deep dive into Microsoft stock, and examining the news and chart data to see if we can get a sense of where this stock is headed. The news headlines are dominated by stories about the impact of Copilots, AI services, on Microsoft's Azure sales estimates. Oppenheimer analysts have lowered their estimates for Azure revenue in fiscal 2025, attributing it to slower adoption of Copilot services. However, there's also positive news about Microsoft's investment in Brazil's cloud infrastructure and AI, a $14.7 billion investment over the next 3 years. This investment highlights Microsoft's continued commitment to expanding its presence in emerging markets. In addition, billionaire investors are showing strong confidence in Microsoft, with several high-profile investors expressing bullish sentiment. While the news about Azure sales might seem bearish, the optimistic outlook for AI in the long term, combined with strong investor confidence, provides a balanced perspective. Let's turn our attention to the charts, starting with the daily chart. Looking at the overall trend over the past few months, Microsoft has displayed a clear upward momentum, with several strong green candles indicating bullish pressure. However, the recent candlestick data, particularly the past few weeks, shows some signs of consolidation. The candles are shorter, suggesting a potential pause in the upward trend. We can observe a clear support level at around 310, with the stock bouncing back from this level several times. The resistance level, however, is less clear-cut. The stock has encountered resistance around 340 and 350, but hasn't been able to break through conclusively. This suggests that while there is bullish momentum, the stock may be facing some challenges in the short term. To get a better understanding of the short-term outlook, let's shift to the 1-hour chart. Here, we can see the recent price action more clearly. The past week has witnessed a consolidation pattern, with candles mostly trading within a narrow range, suggesting indecision in the market. The stock has been bouncing between support levels around 410 and resistance levels around 430, creating a clear trading range. Zooming in on the past 24 hours, we can see some interesting price action. The stock opened slightly lower but quickly rebounded, indicating potential bullish sentiment. However, the candles are still relatively short, suggesting that the bullish momentum may be waning. Looking at the last 5 candles, we can see a pattern of price action that may be indicative of a potential reversal. The stock has been testing the upper boundary of the trading range around 430, but has failed to break through. This rejection could suggest that the buyers are losing momentum. If the stock closes below 420, it would confirm the reversal pattern. We can see that the stock is currently trading just above 415, indicating a potential for further downward movement. However, it's important to note that this is just a short-term perspective. The overall trend on the daily chart is still bullish. Finally, let's take a look at the 15-minute chart to understand the most recent price action. Here, we can see that the stock is currently trading sideways, indicating indecision. The candles are short and choppy, suggesting a lack of clear direction. The stock is currently trading just below 432, which is near the resistance level identified on the 1-hour chart. If the stock breaks through this level, it could signal a continuation of the bullish momentum. However, if the stock fails to break through and closes below 430, it would confirm the reversal pattern seen on the 1-hour chart. In conclusion, Microsoft is currently in a state of flux. While the overall trend remains bullish, the recent price action suggests a potential short-term reversal. The stock is currently trading within a range of 410 to 430, with key levels to watch being 430 for a potential breakout and 420 for a potential breakdown. If the stock breaks through 430, it would signal a continuation of the bullish trend, reinforced by positive news about AI and strong investor confidence. However, if the stock fails to break through and closes below 420, it would confirm the reversal pattern, indicating a potential short-term decline. The stock's direction in the coming days will depend on factors such as investor sentiment, news releases, and overall market conditions. It's crucial to monitor the charts closely, paying attention to price action, volume, and key levels.